Hello everyone, welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. We are reading for Aries Tarot today. Let's see what's there for Aries. We have the Knight of Wands, a very passionate love offer coming towards you in full speed, and Ace of Pentacles. There is a new career opportunity coming towards you, and this is very auspicious. This career opportunity is very positive for you, and this person, whoever is coming, has a lot of passion and they might propose you instantly. We'll pull out one more card for my beautiful Aries. We have the Four of Cups. You are not right now, you are in this Four of Cups energy, not accepting anything fresh, new in your life, but it's coming. Okay, Aries, this was your reading for tarot today. Bye. Welcome, my beautiful Taurians. Welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. Let's find out what's coming up for you today. We have Seven of Pentacles, patiently waiting for something. Let's pull out one more card. Let's see what we are waiting for. Ace of Cups. Yes, you're very positive about this thing, little disappointed because of the past, but you are getting a very positive love offer, and this is like divinely guided, so rest assured that this is going to be a very good love connection for you. Okay, Taurians, I'll see you in the next tarot talk. Bye. Hello, my beautiful Geminis. Welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. Let's see what is there for you today. In tarot today, we have Ten of Swords. Yes, feeling very much broken, down and about, can't see. You feel like very depressed. Let's pull out one more card for you. Gemini, what's happening? We have King of Cups, a very loving, affectionate and solid connection coming for you. This connection is going to be very solid and stable. They might not be very emotional, but they are very loving. The new connection coming in your life, they will make you forget the old wounds. Okay, Taurus. Oh, Gemini, I'll see you in the next one. Hello, my beautiful Cancers. Welcome to Soulful Intuitive. Let's find out what's in store for you regarding love. We have Eight of Cups. You're trying to move away from something which was very happy and stable for you. Yes, you are moving away and looking into your stability, which you are going towards your passion, which you want to follow. We'll pull out one more card for you. Let's see. Devil. Yes, some kind of addiction was holding you back in this connection, and you are releasing them with your strength and conviction, and you are moving away in this regards. Okay, you are moving away from this situation, and it's going to be a very good outcome. Bye bye, Cancers. Hey, my beautiful Leos, welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. Let's pull out two cards for your love life in tarot today. First card, we have the King of Swords. Yes, very assertive, determined, thinking logically, and let's see, Emperor. Of course, someone very stable, authoritative and fatherly, maybe older than you, is coming along. Gender doesn't matter, guys. Okay, we'll pull out one more card just to clarify. We have the Knight of Swords. Yes, fast communication coming towards you regarding this very stable connection, and this person is like, they know their mind out, and they will give you a very good stable, first they will want to talk to you regarding this connection, and they want to take everything in the right way. Okay, Leo, this was your reading. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hey, my beautiful Virgos, welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. Let's pull out two cards for you, your love life and situation. Seven of Swords. Yes, some kind of lying, cheating, stealing. Yes, Seven of Cups. Someone is cheating on you very much. They have lot of option, and they are not truthful regarding this, they are not telling you, and they are hiding things from you. Okay, and we'll pull out one more card for clarifying this. Queen of Cup, but you have lot of love for them, and my advice will be to be very careful about this person on your mind. You have a lot of love for this person, but they have options and they are cheating on you. Okay, Virgo, sorry about this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hey my Libras, welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. I'll pull out 2 cards for you for tarot today. And for your love life, we have Wheel of Fortune, a very lucky, auspicious time coming towards you. Something is closing, yes. Something is coming to an end. That is regarding a very deep heartbreak. This has really shaken you up, but things are coming to a closure. You are getting answers for your questions here. The person you are asking for, let's see, 10 of Pentacles. Yes, you will get your answers. You are heartbroken, there was a breakup, but right now you will get your answers and there's a very positive outcome. 10 of Pentacles is a very happy card. Okay, Libras, don't worry, it is a very happy outcome. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hey my beautiful Scorpios, welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. I'll pull out 2 cards for you for your love situation today. Knight of Cups, and the other one is 7 of Cups. Okay, you have this person coming towards you with a love offer, or he is very flirtatious. They have lot of option. This is a Casanova kind of energy. I'll pull out 1 card for clarification. Yes, communication from this person coming towards you. Maybe you are traveling, they are traveling towards you, and this is like not too many options, but they see you as, they fantasize about you. I can see that, Scorpio. They fantasize about you a lot, and this person is going to propose you, bring gifts and travel towards you, and looks like a positive outcome. We'll see in the next one. Till then, bye bye. My beautiful Sagittarius, welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. Let's pull out 2 cards for your love life. First one is 4 of Swords, resting, recuperating. We have 5 of Swords and 4 of Swords. Okay, lot of conflicts, fights, arguments. So you are taking rest, not. We will pull out 1 more card, Page of Cups. Yes, because this looks like a very immature connection, and there has been a lot of fights, a lot of conflicts in this connection, and you are like totally exhausted and are taking a break. Your people are not talking. You find them very immature for your taste. Okay, so Sagittarius, this was your reading. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hello my beautiful Capricorns, welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. We'll pull out 2 cards for you for tarot today regarding love. We have 3 of Wands and the Page of Pentacles. You're waiting for some kind of decision, waiting for your ships to come, because your person is right now contemplating this decision. We have 7 of Wands. Yes, they are in a very protective mode right now. They are not taking any action. They are like defending themselves actually. Okay, so you need to have patience, because this doesn't look like a bad situation, but yes, you need to have patience, because they are right now in this decision mode, whether to, whether not to, and they are right now very defensive also. Okay, Capricorn, this was your reading. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hey my beautiful Aquarians, welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot, and welcome to Tarot today. We'll pull out 2 cards for your love situation. One is the Emperor, wow, good energy, and the other one is the 8 of Pentacles. Okay, this person of yours, he has this Emperor energy, very decisive. They know what they want. authoritative figure. Maybe they belong to a very high rank position. And Eight of Pentacles is like you are manifesting them, you want them, you are focusing on your work, manifesting your work right now. But this connection of yours, this person of yours, they are seeing your value. Okay, we'll pull out one more card for Aquarius. King of Cups. Yes, lot of love for you, and this person looks a little older for you and can be a same sex relationship also. So you are patiently waiting here, and they are coming towards you. King of Cups, Emperor, very beautiful energy, very strong stable connection, Aquarius. All the best. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hey my beautiful Pisces, welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. Let's find out what comes in your tarot today in your love life. Okay, let's pull out two cards first. The Star card, some wish fulfillment, hope, renewed faith. Then we have Eight of Cups. Yes, you are getting your wish fulfillment because you are walking away from a toxic situation which was not helping you out. Unless you walk away from this situation, you will not get your wish fulfillment. We'll pull out one more card. Yes, you are getting your justice as you move away, or you're getting your divine is connecting to you. This is a divine intervention. Both these cards are strong divine intervening to in your life, that you need to walk away from a toxic situation where you're stuck, you feel stuck. You have decided to walk away and your wish fulfillments are coming towards you. Okay Pisces, very lovely energy. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.